Today I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. Now, this may sound weird, but contour underneath your foundation. It's my favorite thing to do for my base.
I'm gonna use the Soft Matte Longwear Foundation with the foundation brush. And I'm gonna actually start by the outside of my face.
For dark circles under the eyes, you really want to kind of stick to something that's more skin tone or even a slight bit warmer. Brightening can just be a little too much and we're just trying to look alive.
Concealer? This concealer, though, as soon as you put it on, it gives you that 8-hour sleep. It kind of just snatches you.
And we're about to look really snatched after this. So the first thing we're gonna do is carve out to show out, honey. Blend, 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 blend.
Instant retouch setting powder, cause like, who doesn't want their makeup to last all day?
Lastly, it's time for blush. I apply the Cheeks Out Cream Blush on the upper portion of the apples of my cheeks.
It's like the little wax up here, so I can pretty much just like push my brows into place. And they literally stay in place, which is what I love.
The first product we're going to go into is the Pro Kisser Lip Loving Scrub Stick, which is perfect for exfoliating the lips.
Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. The shade is Fussy Today. I love this gloss so much because it's so shiny but not sticky, trust me.
Now here's a hack on how to make your lips look plumper by just using a second lipstick.
Alright friends, so here's what I came up with. It is super autumn and warm and pumpkin spice smoky.
The key to getting a vivid color or a vivid smoky eye is pressing the color onto the eye.
I'm just taking that onto the outer corner, working my way out.
So I just finished this look and I used for my inner corner the color Money Mission from the palette.
Because look at this, a 3-step eyeshadow look, 1 palette, 3 shadows, 3 brushes, that's it.
Next, step 3, wing it out. For this next step, you can lay tape on the sides of your eyes to help you define your wing, but if you're a professional, then congrats to you. I'm not, so